Today I am going to explain about urban administration. As per the population of 2011 census, the population of the country was 121.6 crore. Out of it, 68.8% rural areas and 31.2% people live in the towns. Local urban bodies have been created for the towns and cities. These bodies solve the problems of their area relating to water supply, health, drainage, waste management, cleanliness, lighting, etc. Now, types of local urban bodies. In every state of country, there are following types of urban autonomous bodies. A. Urban panchayats or nagar panchayat. B. Municipalities and C. Municipal corporation. Nagar panchayat. Such rural area which are transforming into urban areas, nagar panchayats are organized there. Such places are a mixed form of a city and a town, and the population there is not very large. There are 263 nagar panchayat in the states. The nagar panchayats are divided into wards. There are minimum 15 and maximum 40 wards. One member from each ward is elected to the Nagar Panchayat. The president of the Nagar Panchayat is also elected directly by the people. There is a reservation for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, backward classes and women for the seats of members and the post of president of the Nagar Panchayat. Municipalities. In small cities in the state, there are municipalities. Members of a municipality are elected by the people. Every city is divided into wards. From every ward or elected a citizen who is a resident of that ward and whose name appears in the voters list is essentially entitled to vote. The minimum prescribed age limit for a municipal member is 25 years. There is president of the municipality who is also elected by the people. Reservation in seats is available to the members of the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, OBCs and women in the election for the post of president and member of the municipalities. म्यूनिसपैलिटीज़ में भी कुछ रिजर्व सीटें होती हैं जो शेड्यूल कास्ट, शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स और ओबीसीज के लिए रहती हैं. देयर इज़ एन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर in every municipality who is known as chief municipal officer, who exercises administrative control over all other officers and staff of the municipality. Municipal corporation. In big cities, the institution for local governance is called municipal corporation. जो बड़े शहरों में इलेक्शन होते हैं उन्हें म्युनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन कहते हैं. देयर आर म्युनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन इन बिग सिटीज ऑफ द स्टेट लाइक भोपाल, ग्वालियर, इंदौर, उज्जैन, Jabalpur, Rewa, Sagar, etc. The state legislative assembly decides in which city there should be a municipal corporation. Important organ of the municipal corporation is its council. Its members are elected by the people. इसके जो सदस्य होते हैं वो जनता द्वारा चुने जाते हैं. Every corporation is divided into small wards. प्रत्येक कॉरपोरेशन को छोटे छोटे वार्ड में डिवाइड किया जाता है. And one another is elected from each ward. In the municipal corporation there is a mayor. म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन में एक मेयर होता है. इन मध्य प्रदेश द मेयर ऑफ द म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन इज डायरेक्टली elected by the people. There is an administrative officer of the corporation who is known as commissioner. कॉरपोरेशन में एक ऑफिसर होता है जिसको कि कमिश्नर कहा जाता है. The commissioner of the corporation is appointed from the civil services cadre. Funds are given to the corporation by the state government. Besides, the corporation has a right to impose taxes. The corporation imposes taxes like water tax, property tax, octroi, etc. Functions of local bodies. अब लोकल बॉडीज के कार्य क्या हैं? द फंक्शंस ऑफ नगर पंचायत, म्यूनिसिपैलिटीज एंड म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन आर सेम. These institutions perform following functions in their area of operation: to make or arrangement for lighting in public building and roads, to keep the town city clean and suitable arrangements are made for this, to make suitable arrangements for stray cattle and manage cattle ponds, registration of birth and death, arrangement for water supply, construction and maintenance of roads and public buildings, fire protection and fire fighting, and arrangement for vehicle and equipments for the people, organize fairs, etc. for the people. The local bodies provide several facilities to the citizen and fulfill their local needs. So, dear students, I hope you have understood this topic, urban administration. So, please go through the video and understand this administration. Okay, thank you very much.